A grayed out Bingo Cash Cashout button does not always mean the withdrawal system is broken. Bingo Cash can restrict cashouts when account or withdrawal requirements have not been satisfied. By the end, you'll know what to check before contacting support, and which account details can prevent the cashout option from becoming available. Start by checking your Bingo Cash balance and the withdrawal screen. If the cashout button is gray instead of selectable, look for any message explaining why the option is unavailable. Bingo Cash withdrawals require you to meet the applicable withdrawal requirements for your account. If a requirement has not been completed, the cashout option may remain unavailable. Check whether Bingo Cash is asking you to verify your identity, complete account information, or satisfy another eligibility requirement. Follow the instructions shown directly in the app, instead of repeatedly tapping the grayed out button. Next, confirm that you're using the correct Bingo Cash account. If you accidentally signed into a different account, the balance and withdrawal eligibility may not match what you expect. Go to your account and use a sign in and done under a existing user if you were signed out. Bingo Cash's login process uses the phone number registered to your account and an SMS verification code. After confirming the account, completely close Bingo Cash and reopen it. This refreshes the account information displayed by the app.app. If the button remains grayed out, check the App Store or Google Play for an available Bingo Cash update. Bingo Cash recommends keeping the app updated because updates can include improvements and new features. Install the update, reopen Bingo Cash, and check the withdrawal screen again. Updating the app does not remove your account, progress, or balance. Your internet connection is also worth checking. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then reopen Bingo Cash and return to the cashout screen. Don't repeatedly attempt withdrawals or create another account just to make the button active. A second account will not automatically transfer your existing balance or withdrawal eligibility. If you've confirmed your account, completed any requirements shown in the app, updated Bingo Cash, and checked your connection, take a screenshot of the grayed out cashout button and any message displayed beside it. Then contact Bingo Cash support. Include your registered phone number, account email, current balance, the exact message shown on the withdrawal screen, and a screenshot of the problem. Those details help support determine whether the restriction is related to account eligibility, verification, or a technical issue. So the practical fix is to check the withdrawal requirements first, confirm you're using the original account, refresh and update Bingo Cash, and document the screen if cashout remains unavailable. Your next step is to open the cashout screen and read the exact message shown next to the grayed out button. If this fixed your Bingo Cash cashout problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.